Hey everybody, it's Nate from EXPLORIST.life. I teach people how to build DIY campers, and this video is episode number 1 in a brand new series of videos where I will be showing you step by step from the ground up how we're upfitting our brand new Ford Transit. Now, it's been about 5 years since we documented our Sprinter camper build, and during that time this channel has matured a bit and found its happy place. We're still adventuring, but we aren't really making adventure vlogs. We're still making money remotely, but we're not teaching people how to do that. This channel is now 100% about teaching all of you how to build DIY campers, and this new Transit is our blank canvas for the next year of videos for this channel. But enough about me. This video is about you, and this video is me reaching out to you for help. I need to know what you want to learn about. The main purpose of us getting this van is to make tutorials. Now I'm going to be doing tutorials over every step of this project, and now is the time for you to give your input on the direction of these projects. So, what should we do for flooring? I'm thinking coin grip flooring with L-track down the length of the van so that it's rugged, but it's still nice enough to walk on. You know, something where I could still put a snowmobile or something in there if the adventure calls for it. But ultimately, how do you want to see me split the difference between functionality and looks? Now, how about walls? I'm kind of leaning towards a adventure wagon kit or something similar to that. Or would you rather see me just scribe everything out manually? Both are DIY projects, but scribing will be way more labor intensive. So what seems more helpful for you all to see me do? Now, I think we should do in-floor heating in this, but I haven't really even started looking into the nitty-gritty of it just yet. So if you have any insight, I'd love to hear what you'd like to see me do here. Now, we're definitely going to be doing air conditioning of some kind in this build. We have all kinds of options here. You know, Nomadic and Dometic, they have both 12 volt DC, 24 volt DC, and 120 volt AC roof mount air conditioners. But then again, Cruise and Comfort, they also have like a super cool undermount air conditioner so we can maybe fit more solar on the roof. So, which would you rather see there? Now, what about cabinets? I'm leaning more towards 80/20 quick tube for lightweight cabinets, but if you've got a different idea, I'm all ears, so let me know in the comments. Now, how about suspension? I want to show you how to DIY a suspension lift. Van Compass seems like the most popular and most available, but if anybody has any alternatives, I'm all ears. Now, electrical. I've already got some pretty good ideas of what I'm going to do there, but if there's a fun feature or something like that that you'd like to see a tutorial over, now is the time to get it on my radar. What about roof racks and bumpers and ladders and awnings and all the other exterior stuff? Let me know which ones, what kinds or brands or anything else that you want to see used and installed. And honestly, there's nothing off limits when it comes to making your suggestions. If it sounds like it'd be a fun project, then I'm going to probably do it. And if not, then I probably won't do it. But I know you all have some really fun ideas and I'd love to bring them to life. So I've put together a little template together in the first comment down in the comment section below the video to hopefully prompt some ideas for all of you. Now I look forward to reading the ideas that everybody has, and I promise I'll read them all and attempt to respond the best I can, but no promises because I have some planning to do. Now, before I wrap this video up, I want to give a special shout out to Battle Worn Batteries for coming on as the title sponsor for this series. The support they're giving me going forward is allowing me to push aside some obligations that I've had in the past that have really gotten in the way of making these videos for all of you here on YouTube. This sponsorship has also allowed me to hire a full-time content creator to help me with camera operations, video and picture editing, Instagram stories, and all kinds of other stuff that I need to be able to make these videos and blog posts for all of you on a more consistent and frequent basis. Now, as always, thanks for watching and consider subscribing if you haven't already to stay current with this project. And I will see you in the next video where I'm going to talk more about this van and the features that we had Ford put on it from the factory. So, I'll see you there.